Guys, new construction homes are more than just a pretty face and a bunch of bells and whistles. When it comes to buying a home, new construction can be a cheat code, if you know what to look for. And with home prices and interest rates fluctuating more than the Titan at Six Flags, if you've ridden it before, you know what I'm talking about. New construction homes can be a strong choice when it comes to finding your new Texas home. So today, I'll be giving you 7 reasons why you should buy a new construction home in Texas. Guys, if this is your first time to the channel and you're thinking about buying a new home in Mansfield, Midlothian, or Grand Prairie, Texas, then subscribe and hit the bell below so you can get a head start on all the new communities popping up all over Texas. Guys, my name is Bobby, and me and my wife Monica created your new Texas home to help more people like you move into their dream home. So if you're planning on moving to Texas in 7 months or 7 days, text us and we can help you find your new Texas home. So there are a lot of options when it comes to buying a home, but when it comes to getting the ultimate bang for your buck, get it? Bang. Because we're in Texas. There are a couple of reasons why you should consider new construction. Number 1, customization options. Picture this, a home that truly reflects you and your family's needs. When you opt for a new construction home, most times you are given many customization options to choose from. Whether it's choosing the kitchen countertops, to deciding on hardwood versus tile, the level of freedom you have really allows you to be creative. Want a farmhouse sink and hardwood floors? You got it. Want floor-to-ceiling windows and a bathtub smack dab in the middle of your bathroom? Let's make it happen. It's all about making your dream home uniquely yours. Reason number 2, energy efficiency. Texas is known for its sunny days and hot weather. Boy, we know. And new construction homes leverage the latest in energy efficient technology to make sure you're not paying a second mortgage for your energy bill. Imagine having energy efficient appliances, smart thermostat, a tankless water heater, even a high efficiency HVAC system can really make a difference. And builders nowadays prioritize energy efficiency, so most of these things usually come standard when you buy a new construction home. Reason number 3, warranty and quality assurance. When you invest in a new construction home, you're really investing in peace of mind. This is one of the places new construction shines. Most builders offer a warranty system that covers most minor and major issues that arise over the first year in your home. This means that if there are any unexpected hiccups, you're covered. For example, we actually live in a new construction home. So if we see any issues or anything that needs repair, we make a list and report that list to the builder's warranty division. And it gets taken care of within a couple of weeks for completely free. Whereas a third-party warranty on pre-owned homes can require fees and cover way less. So keep that in mind. And guys, if you're getting anything out of this video, it would help us out a ton if you would bless us with a like and a subscribe so we can continue to make more content like this for you. Anyway, back to the video. Number 4, latest technology. Texas is all about embracing innovation. I mean, look at all the new jobs, all the new companies, all the new corporations moving to Texas. And new construction homes aren't any different. Picture this, you arrive home, and the lights adjust to your mood. The thermostat knows your preferred temperature, and the security system syncs seamlessly with your keypad lock. So you ain't gotta do a whole lot of pressing buttons and have an ADT call you and be like, what's going on? We're calling the police, they're on their way. None of that. Some people may call it lazy, but I call it the future. But honestly, I don't think I could ever go back to having to walk all the way to a different room in my underwear in the middle of the night just to turn the temperature down because I'm burning up. No, thank you. And builders will a lot of time offer a smart home package that is installed and set up upon closing, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Reason number 5, low maintenance. Who wants to spend their weekends doing yard work, replacing old fixtures, or changing 4 filters every other week? Nobody. Builders will usually build their homes with the homeowner in mind, making sure the house is as sufficient as it can be so your work to maintain it is as minimal as possible. And reason number 6, modern design and features. Listen, it's 2024. No more yellow carpet, popcorn ceilings, or pink bathroom top because who thought that was a good idea? New construction homes have a modern aesthetic, open and spacious floor plans, and thoughtful layouts. Although older homes have character, new builds have character too. Less peace of mind, and who doesn't want that? Reason number 7, financial incentives. Now you know I had to save the best for last. Financial incentives. This by far is one of the best reasons to buy new construction because builders love to sweeten the deal, especially during pre-construction or promotional periods. This could mean discounts on the overall price, upgraded features at no extra cost, interest rate buy downs, or assistance with closing costs because who doesn't like that? Let me put it to you like this. It's like buying a large fry. and eating them all, and feeling kind of sad that you ate them all. But then you check the bag, and at the bottom of the bag are a bunch of fries, and you just, thank you, Lord. But with, one of the most significant investments of your entire life. So just replace the fries with a home, and it'll still make sense, I promise. And there you have it, guys. The top 7 reasons why buying a new construction home in Texas is the way to go. Again, if you're planning on moving to Texas in 7 months or 7 days, text us so we can help you find your new Texas home. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like the video, make sure you guys leave a comment, let us know what you guys want to see next. And also, may the Lord bless you and keep you, and may he shine his face upon you and forever be gracious to you. Thank you guys so much, and see you next week.